everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here I am going to discuss how to write IELTS writing task on map diagram. Okay, map diagram. I will be telling you how to write, how to analyze the map and which tense we need to write, and all directional words, some changes, how we can give another word or another vocabulary or synonyms for changes, and definitely all vocabulary I will be discussing it here. So after getting map diagram, what you need to look at the map diagram. Of course, this we have read title of the maps. First oldest map is this and this is latest. So first we will analyze the map, means we will try to find what all the things are there in what there in 1985. So car park is there. Okay, before analyzing the thing, first you need to know the directional words. So here, after getting map, even in IELTS listening also, whatever the map is given, this is north, the upper part, this is south, this is west, and this is eastern part. Okay, so this direction is known as northwest, this direction is known as southwest. We can't say west south, no, northwest, southwest. So this is northeast, this is southeast. Okay, so these are directional, and this is central part of the map. Got it? And then now I can see here towards the upper side or towards the north side there is a car park and entrance also and exit also. One office building is also there, library, a big library is also there, car park, another car park is there, classrooms, and between that one road, classrooms, here also classrooms, block, two-story building is also there, and big playground you can see. Now school map, now something they had changed, something they had altered the map. See, we can see office building remains same, it is unchanged. Entrance and exit, these gates are also unchanged. So car park shape, I can see it was earlier rectangle shape, now we can say half circle, you can say half circle kind of shape is this is car park. And road, of course, when the shape of car park is this, and the shape of the road is also changed. Now instead of library, they have converted into learning resources center and computer room. Okay, so I will showing you. See this learning resource center and computer room. And here earlier there was no trees, here they have planted some trees. And classroom block, 3-story, 1 story they have, earlier it was 2 stories, now they have added one more story, it means now 3 stories. And classrooms here also, it means okay, we can see one pool also, fitness center, classroom also, and playing ground is smaller than the older one. See, instead of library, they have converted computer room, and some portion they have taken from library to make these classrooms. And they have shortened the playing ground, and they have created some facilities, pool and fitness center. So I am explaining some vocabulary also. Now I will be showing you some vocabulary. Let's check. So first step we have done in planning, we have analyzed the map and tense. Yes, so for explaining this paragraph we will be using past tense. So past tense, which past tense? Simple past tense, definitely it will come. Okay, and simple past tense one, and second one is simple past perfect tense and past perfect tense. These two tenses are important to use in this paragraph for explaining 1985. Now this is present, school now. So here you can see, you can change the you can use the tense here, simple present tense as well as passive voice also, and present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense also you can use it. Okay, now I will show you some vocabulary words relating to map diagrams. Now vocabulary: transformation. Transformation means converted, transfer, like here also you can see past it was this, and in present they have transformed farmland into golf. So that is transformation. Okay, convert. all directions, like as I explained it to you earlier, north, south, northwest and all. So changes, we can use the word changes, developed, facilities, amenities, conversion of, expansion of, untouched or unchanged, alterations, built, constructed, reconstructed, extension, extended, modernize, renovate, untouched or unchanged that we have used, replace, relocate, to narrow down. So use these words according to your map, according to your diagrams. So if you are using these words into past tense map, then you have to use second verbs also. Like here it is, I have already done. Like here it is replaced, you can relocate it, narrow down also, you can use these words. So you can convert this vocabulary into other tenses also. We have discussed this also, tenses also, as I have already explained, directional words also, changes also, some vocabulary. Now question statement says the maps illustrate the different layout of school in 1985 and now. So 150 minimum words you should write it. If suppose you are able to write only 140 or 142 or 45, doesn't matter, you should explain it well, whatever the important changes that you need to explain it in your writing task 1. After 20 minutes, as I told you, planning is important, and 4 paragraphs if possible, otherwise 3 paragraphs will come. First introduction, then overall paragraph, then body detail 1 and body detail 2. In body detail 1 we will discuss about old 1985. In body detail 2 paragraph, after, like, first introduction will be there, then overall paragraph, these 2 paragraphs can be combined. Okay, so in last paragraph we will discuss this present map, but while discussing present map we need to compare the things with old one also. Okay, understand, try to understand. Only explaining the map, whatever it is given, you will not get band score. In first body paragraph explain this fully, and in this paragraph when you will be explaining this map, you have to compare with this, then it will be proper report writing. So this is question statement and introduction. How I have done, just look at this, the given two maps, so here only maps it was given, so I have just like I have used it, given 2 maps, we know there are 2 maps, and the given 2 maps illustrate, instead of illustrate I have used depict a school transformation since 1985 and modern view at present. Instead of now I have used modern view at present. School already word we have used it. Okay, so overall paragraph. So overall what we have seen, what we have noticed in this map, you can see more classrooms they have added, and library they have converted into computer and learning center, and they have shortened the displaying fields. Instead of they have created some facilities, pool and fitness center also. So major things we have noticed this. Okay, so let's write overall. Overall it can be clearly seen that, so why I have underlined this line, because here in every writing task 1 you can use this line. Overall it can be clearly seen that, now you talk about the main thing in the writing task 1, the school has experienced a significant alterations, renovations, to accommodate, this is or. Okay, you can see this, or you can use one word, significant renovations to accommodate the increased number of students by adding more classrooms and some eminent features like swimming pool and fitness center, computer room also. So you can write it, instead of and here you can use the and word here. Okay, now this is our second paragraph. First paragraph, this one, in fact you can combine both the things, introduction and overall, in one paragraph you can write. Now coming to this diagram we will write. Now first paragraph, from here to here, my first paragraph talking about this map, Analyzing the old map of school in 1985, the school had an enrollment of 1500 students. I am talking about students first. Mm, uh, to the west of the school, to the west of the school, uh, to the west of the school campus, there were facilities such as classrooms, this to the west of the school, facilities such as classroom, small parking, small classroom, yeah, classroom is also there. In fact, we can say this is in middle, but yes, okay. Is classrooms, small parking lot, a library and an office, okay. Whilst on the opposite side, which is east, this is opposite, mm, uh, had a block of classrooms of 2 stories, okay. However however uh, the large playing fields could be seen. So this is also better word, however, could be seen. However, the large playing fields could be seen towards the south, okay, where learners or students, so I have paraphrased the things, learners used to play during their sports period. So this additional information I have given, you can avoid it. So from here to here, but it is good if you can use these words. At the north side, there were two gates, entrance and exit gates. There were two gates, entrance and exit gates, direct reaching to the car park. So this is for 1985 first map. Now coming to second map we will discuss. Now see this. On the contrary, okay, or on the other hand, you can write on the contrary, the second map which is displaying the present design of the school, okay, present design of the school. The student population has, now I am using properly present tense. Student population has risen dramatically to 2300 from 1500, while the office size with modern connectivity, with computer room and named learning resources center with reduced built up area, named learning center. New floor in school building can be seen and now having 3 stories. So new floor, yeah, of course, in building their new floor they have added. New floor in school building can be seen and now having 3 stories for student classrooms, okay. Moreover in the south direction, a newly gymnasium with an indoor swimming pool with less size of playing fields. Another important change can be witnessed towards, so these are template words, you can use it, these are connectors. In fact, you can see this vocabulary I have used. Another important change can be witnessed towards the north in the shape of the car park, which was rectangular in shape, which was, see this comparison with old, which was rectangular in shape and now reshaped into semicircle. Finally, a group of trees has been planted, which is adding beauty to the school campus, okay. Simple way you can add it. Somewhere I have just like, I have compared students, I have compared here also shape of the, and you can compare here also. Earlier 2 story building was there, now they have built school authorities have built 3 stories now, okay. Simple way, it is very simple to write IELTS writing task 1 map diagrams.